This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M35 5G. The Samsung Galaxy M35 5G is a powerful mid-range smartphone packed with impressive features. It comes with a super smooth 120Hz AMOLED display, a massive 6000 mAh battery, and an Antutu score of 595K+, which proves its strong performance. And this smartphone is designed for long hours of usage, gaming, and entertainment. This smartphone also includes vapor cooling technology to keep the phone cool during the heavy task. If you want to buy this smartphone, please check the link in this video description. The Samsung Galaxy M35 5G delivers excellent performance, display quality, and battery life. And this smartphone is designed for users who need a powerful device for daily tasks, multimedia consumption, and gaming without any heating issues. This smartphone has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection and sleek design. So it is both durable and stylish. Now we will see the product features. Display is 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display and smooth 120Hz refresh rate for seamless experience. Processor is powered by Exynos 1380 for great performance, and it achieves impressive Antutu score of 595K+. And this smartphone is capable of handling multitasking and gaming. This smartphone has vapor cooling chamber which keeps the phone cool during heavy usage or gaming. This smartphone has massive 6000 mAh battery for up to 2 days of usage. This smartphone support 25-watt fast charging. Rear camera has 50 MB main, 8 MB ultra wide, and 2 MB macro. Front camera has 13 MB selfie camera. This smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for improved scratch resistance. This smartphone has 6 GB RAM for smooth performance, 128 GB storage, and expandable via micro SD card. And this smartphone has fast and reliable 5G support for quick downloads and streaming. This smartphone runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1 for a clean, user-friendly interface. This smartphone available in the stylish moonlight blue color. When you do unbox, you will see Samsung Galaxy M35 5G smartphone, USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, SIM ejector tool for inserting or removing your SIM card, and user manual. And charger is not included in the box to reduce electronic waste. Now we will see the technical details. Display is 6.6-inch Super AMOLED and 120Hz refresh rate. Processor is Exynos 1380 5nm. RAM is 6 GB RAM and storage is 128 GB, which is expandable. Rear camera has 50 MB main plus 8 MB ultra wide plus 2 MB macro. Front camera has 13 MB. Battery is 6000 mAh and it supports 25-watt fast charging. It has vapor cooling chamber. Protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Operating system is Android 14 and One UI 6.1. Connectivity is 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Color is moonlight blue. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. This smartphone has Super AMOLED display and smooth 120Hz refresh rate for fluid visuals and responsive touch interactions. This smartphone has massive battery life. It has a 6000 mAh battery which ensures long-lasting usage without frequent charging. This smartphone has vapor cooling chamber which keeps the phone cool during gaming and multitasking. This smartphone has excellent performance with an impressive AnTuTu score of 595K plus. This smartphone has durable design. It has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and it provides durability and scratch resistance. This smartphone has expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, which allows for ample space for all the files and media. This smartphone supports 5G connectivity, which enables fast internet speeds for seamless browsing and streaming. Cons of this smartphone: charger is not included in the box, and plastic back design, which may feel less premium. And this smartphone is not ideal for extremely heavy gaming because processor is mid-range. Now we will see pricing details of this smartphone. In India, starting price is 20K and the maximum price is 22K. In US, starting price is $240 and maximum price is $270. Now we will see what are the customer feedback about this smartphone. Customers love the battery life, which lasts up to 2 days on moderate usage. The display quality is praised for being bright, sharp, and smooth at 120 Hz. User appreciate the performance with no lag during everyday task. The vapor cooling chamber is effective for keeping the phone cool during gaming. And positive feedback for camera quality in daylight conditions. Customers like the durability of the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Now we will see the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy M35 5G is a fantastic mid-range phone and it is ideal for users who prioritize long battery life, smooth display, and solid performance. And this smartphone is perfect for daily use, excellent for streaming, casual gaming, everyday task. It has features like vapor cooling technology, 5G support, and durable build. It has minor drawbacks like lack of included charger and plastic design. And Samsung Galaxy M35 5G is a great choice for those seeking a reliable phone with excellent value, offering a balance of performance, features, and affordability.